Very slow and detailed storytelling version for children. Image: long, long ago, a very long time ago, there was a small village. The village was quiet. The village was peaceful. There were green fields, small houses, and narrow paths. In that village, there lived an old man and his sons. The old man. The old man was very old. His hair was white, his face had many wrinkles, his back was a little bent. He wore old clothes, but his clothes were clean. The old man was kind. He was gentle. He was hard-working. Every day he worked in the fields. He worked under the sun. He worked to feed his sons. He did not have much money, but he had a warm heart. He loved his sons more than anything. The sons. The old man had many sons. They were young. They were strong. They could work hard. They could help their father. But they had a problem. They often argued. They often shouted at each other. They did not agree. Sometimes they argued about work. Sometimes about food. Sometimes about small things. No one wanted to listen. No one wanted to say sorry. No one wanted to give in. The old man feels sad. When the sons argued, the old man felt sad. He looked at them quietly. He sighed softly. He said in a gentle voice, "My children, you are brothers. Brothers must love each other. Brothers must help each other. Only when you stay together, our family can be happy." But the sons did not listen. They heard the words, but they did not understand. The old man worries. As time passed, the old man became weaker. One evening, he sat in front of the house. The sky was quiet. The wind was soft. He thought to himself, "I am old now. My body is weak. One day I will be gone. If my sons keep fighting, they will be alone. They will suffer." The old man was worried. He wanted to teach them an important lesson. Bundle of chopsticks. The next day, the old man called his sons. He brought out a bundle of chopsticks. The chopsticks were thin. They were tied together tightly. He said slowly, "My children, come here. Try to break this bundle for me." The sons try. The eldest son tried first. He held the bundle tightly. He used all his strength. His arms shook, his face turned red, but the bundle did not break. The second son tried, then the third son, then all the others. They tried very hard, but the bundle stayed whole. It did not break. They said, "Father, the bundle is too strong. We cannot break it." One chopstick at a time. The old man smiled kindly. He slowly untied the string. He separated the chopsticks. He gave one chopstick to each son. He said gently, "Now try to break one chopstick." This time it was easy. Crack! The chopstick broke. Each son broke his chopstick with little effort. The lesson? The old man looked at his sons and spoke slowly. When you stay together, when you love and help each other, you are strong. You are strong like this bundle of chopsticks. But when you fight, when you are apart, you become weak. You are weak like one chopstick, easy to break. A happy ending. The sons understood. They looked at their father. They felt ashamed. From that day on, they changed. They spoke kindly. They helped each other. They worked together. The old man felt peaceful. His heart felt warm, and the family lived a simple life. A loving life, happy and peaceful forever.
Family Tale!